Welcome to my channel, Crystal here. How to make about any smoothie at home? This video will reveal my best 7 smoothie recipes to power you up throughout the week. I also break down the steps and explain key elements to make any good smoothie of your choice in your own kitchen. Watch the video and learn how to make your favorite smoothie and live a healthy life. Now let's get started. Making any creamy, tasty smoothie involves the following 3 steps. First is the base of the smoothie. It determines the texture and the density of your smoothie. Based on how creamy or watery you want, your choice can be avocado, banana, yogurt, milk, and water. Avocado can provide the most creamy smoothies, and banana will make your smoothie mild sweet. I usually start my smoothie with a banana, the riper the better, or a medium-sized avocado. Then adjust the thickness by adding milk, water, or yogurt later on for preferred density. The next step is the color. This step is to determine how pretty or ugly your smoothie could look like. Fruit and vegetables are the key elements in this step. Often judged by its look, my kids will love it or hate it before they agree to give it a sip. To create the pinkish, reddish look, common fruit such as strawberry, raspberry, watermelon, beets, and sweet peppers are good choices. If you want a green look, add spinach, kale, and other leafy greens. Blueberry, blackberry, and cherries will make the smoothie look purplish. Orange, mango, and pineapple will add a bright yellow color to the smoothie. The last step is the toppings. If you think smoothie is just like all the other drinks you need when you feel thirsty, you're missing the point. With the creamy texture provided by banana and avocado, vibrant colors from fruits and vegetables, the toppings are another key element to turn your smoothie drink to a weight loss killer. Good topping choices such as the collagen protein powder, which adds 9-gram protein to a 16-ounce smoothie in 1 scoop. It also helps to maintain the elasticity of a younger-looking skin. I also like to add the hemp seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds to make the smoothie more satiating. Another good choice is the cacao powder or nibs, which not only add a good amount of protein but chocolate flavor to the smoothie. Your smoothie will not only look good, taste good, but make you feel good and help you get through the morning without the need reaching out for extra snack. With these 3 steps in mind, let me show you how I made my 7 best smoothies for a power-up morning throughout the week. which one of these 7 smoothies you like the most? Which one are you gonna give it a try? Leave a comment below and let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel for more healthy eating videos every week. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!